Hi, my name is Yvette Molina, and I will be presenting my current event on the FDA and drug labeling. The article I've chosen is titled Top FDA Drug Official is Trying to Hire a Friend Who's Seeking a Bold New Warning on Antidepressants. Dr. Tracy Beth Hoeg, the Food and Drug Administration's top drug regulator, is pushing to hire her friend Dr. Adam Arado in order to add warning labels to antidepressant drugs for pregnant women. Dr. Arado has claimed that antidepressants cause miscarriages and brain abnormalities, such as autism, but has limited evidence to back up these claims. The research consists of animal studies and small trials in people. Dr. Hoeg has also presented SSRIs for the FDA as her own research, but was found to be Dr. Arado's research. The first bioethical dilemma involves beneficence. This requires regulators to act in ways that promote patient well-being, meaning they must carefully evaluate whether strong warnings about antidepressants use in pregnancy would truly protect patients or unintentionally cause harm by discouraging necessary treatment. The second is justice. Regulatory decisions should be made through a fair and unbiased process. If an FDA official promotes or prioritizes a petition from someone they are personally connected to or attempting to hire, it could create the perception that certain individuals receive preferential influence within the regulatory process. This would be ethically problematic because all scientific petitions and researchers should be evaluated equally based on evidence, not personal relationships, to maintain trust. This is important to me as a future nurse practitioner because it could affect how I counsel or prescribe medications even if the claims are not completely accurate. Patients could be hesitant about taking medications with a black label. This would in turn reinforce the importance of staying up to date on evolving evidence, guidelines, and politics. There are several nursing code of ethics provisions that are violated. Provision 3 emphasizes that healthcare professionals must ensure patient safety and advocate for evidence-based care. If decisions about antidepressant warnings are influenced by personal relationships rather than strong scientific evidence, it could potentially violate this provision because policies might not fully reflect the best available evidence needed to protect patients. Provision 7 supports the use of credible, transparent scientific research or to guide healthcare practices. If the push for stronger warnings is based on disputed or limited evidence, this provision would be at risk, since regulatory decisions should rely on established research. Provision 9 stresses that healthcare institutions and professionals must act with transparency, accountability, and integrity. Allegations of a potential conflict of interest may undermine public confidence in healthcare oversight. This issue could cause a number of implications in healthcare. First, if the U.S. Food and Drug Administration decides to add stronger warnings to antidepressants based on the petition from Adam Arado, it could significantly influence clinical practice for providers treating pregnant patients with depression. Healthcare professionals may become more cautious about prescribing antidepressants, which could lead some patients to discontinue necessary treatment and potentially worsen mental health outcomes. This situation may also impact patient trust, as concerns about transparency or conflicts of interest in regulatory decisions can make patients question medication safety guidance. It emphasizes the importance of evidence-based policy in healthcare. Overall, this issue underscores how regulatory ethics and transparency can directly influence patient care, provider decision-making, and public confidence in medical recommendations. If you would like to read the article, it is found on usnews.com. Thank you very much.